Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well today. Welcome back to Pandas function application class. To apply your own or another library's functions to Pandas object, you should be aware of the three important methods. The appropriate method to use depends on whether your functions expects to operate on an entire data frame or row or column wise or element wise. The important methods are table-wise function application, that is pipe. You can see it on the screen. And the second one, row or column-wise function application, that is apply. And the third one, element-wise function application, that is apply map. Let's start discussing the one by one. So let's start with table-wise function. Custom operations can be performed by passing the function and the appropriate number of parameters as pipe arguments. Thus, operations is performed on the whole data frame. For example, add a value 2 to all the elements in the data frame. Let's take a look at this in our Jupyter notebook, the adder function. The adder function adds two numeric values as parameter and returns the sum. Right, function application. Adder function. Right. All right. Let's import pandas and numpy first. Then adder ele1 comma ele2 at return ele1 plus ele2. df is equal to pd dot data frame of np dot random dot rand n, so 5 by 3, and columns is equal to col1 comma col2 comma col3. Right, df dot pipe is adder comma 2 and print df dot apply np dot min. Okay, let's execute this and see what we have. This is a code and this is thing. Right, this is the adder function. We have applied the adder function. Row or column wise function application. Right, row and column wise function application. So arbitrary functions can be applied along the axis of a data frame or panel using the apply method, which, like the descriptive statistics methods, takes an optional axis argument. By default, the operation performs column-wise, taking each column as an array like. Let's take a look at this with an example. Let's open the Jupyter notebook and import numpy as np, import pandas as pd, and data frame is equal to pd dot data frame, np of random dot rand n of 5 comma 3 comma columns equal to col 1 comma col 2 comma col 3 df dot apply np dot mean. All right, let's print this out. Is df dot apply np dot mean. Let's execute this code and see what we have here. So we have this. So instead of this, we can say dd is equal to, yeah, or d1 is equal to, we can say this as d1. Right, we have the row or column wise function application. Let's take a look at this another example with the same way 5 by 3 and column 1 2 3. Right, I'll copy the first three lines for the second example. Df dot apply np dot mean comma axis is equal to 1, print df dot apply np dot mean. All right, let's execute this code and see what will have the scenario. So we have the result of all 1 2 3 is this. So in our previous example we have used np dot mean. In our this example we have used axis is equal to 1. So this is without axis and this is with axis. Right, let's move to third one, element wise function apply map. Right, not all functions can be vectorized, neither the numpy arrays which return another array or any value. The methods apply map function on data frame and a ghostly map on series accept and Python function taking a single value and returning a single value. Let's take this an example. Let's import numpy and pandas. df is equal to cd dot data frame np dot random dot and n 5 3 columns is equal to col 1 col 2 col 3. Now my custom function is def col 1 dot map. We use lambda x colon x into 100 and print df dot apply np dot mean. Let's execute it. So we have the result by using apply function. Let's take a look at with different example by using np dot right. So we'll have another example is let's import pandas as pd and import numpy as np and df is equal to pd dot data frame np dot random dot and n 5 comma 3 comma columns is equal to col 1 comma col 2 comma col 3 df dot now we use apply map uh, lambda x into x into 100 now print df dot apply np dot mean. See the difference between the previous example and this example. Only the difference is we used here my custom function is df column 1. So we are focusing on just column 1 here and we used map function. But here we are focusing on df apply map on lambda. So we're using apply map to all columns. Let's execute and see what would be the output for this. Let's execute. So we have an error. Let's see what is our error. Module pandas are no attributes. Frame of f should be capital. Re-execute this code. We have the result here of column, right? So I mistyped it here. This is one. So we have column 1, column 2, column 3. Alright guys, is it clear? Right, this is the end of this session for Pandas function applications. Hope you guys understood all the functions what we have discussed in this session. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact me. I'll be more than happy to help you guys anytime and practice more. You'll be learning more. Alright, take care guys. I'll join you next session. Till then, bye bye.